today's digital world, we have numerous online accounts, and it's not uncommon to have forgotten a password. Whether you've forgotten the password or simply would like to change it for security reasons, resetting your password is a straightforward process in Zoho Mail. Let's now look at the steps involved to change your password. Log into your Zoho Mail account. Click on your profile icon on the right top and select My Account. Select Security from the left pane and choose Password from the list below. Select Change Password. Enter your current password. Enter your new password and re-enter your password in the next field to confirm. Select Change Password. Next, if you've forgotten the password, here are the steps below to change it. Please note, to reset a forgotten password, you should have added a recovery email address or mobile number. Else, please contact your admin or support teams. On the login page, select Forgot Password. Select Change in the first field to enter your registered email address or mobile number. Enter the CAPTCHA. Click Next. Select Continue to reset password. Select Send OTP. Enter the OTP and select Verify. Enter your new password and re-enter your password in the next field to confirm. Select Change Password. That's it. You've successfully changed your password, and you can now log into your account with your new password.